Hey everyone, welcome back to Chess Club. Today we are diving into the exciting world of checkmates. I will show you how to checkmate your opponent using a rook, bishop, knight, queen and even tricky combo with both a bishop and knight. Let's get started. First up we have the rook checkmate. This is the one of the most simplest form of checkmate. The key is to use rook to control ranks and files, forcing opponent king into a corner. So remember, using a rook you can cut off the king escapes routes and corner it for a checkmate. Checkmate with bishops. This is more complex as it usually requires the help of your king. Here's our setup. The bishop controlling the diagonal and our king supporting it. When the enemy king is trapped by its own pieces, move your bishops to deliver checkmate. Always remember that bishop controls diagonals, so you can use them to restrict the opponent's king move. Now let's checkmate using knights. Knights can be tricky as they move in L shape and can hop over pieces. Remember, knight can cover squares that other pieces can't, making them unique for delivering checkmate. Finally, let's look at a checkmate with a bishop and knight both. Here's the setup. The knight and the bishop working together. It's important to coordinate them to trap the enemy king. They can control different squares, making it hard for opponent's king to escape. Next we have the powerful queen checkmate. The queen is able to control both ranks and diagonals. The queen is a dominant piece in the endgame. Use her power to control board and deliver checkmate efficiently. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in mastering these checkmates. Remember to practice these techniques and soon you will be surprising your opponent with your checkmate skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your favorite checkmate in the comments below. See you next time on Chess Club.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out.